Okay, here we go. Lights, camera, and action. Saute those onions while your beef is cooking. We want to try and time everything so we're ready to go. Super Bowl, so cook like a champion. When you turn your ground beef over, add the buns onto the grill so you can start toasting those up. Saute the onions at the same time your ground beef is cooking. These sliders are going to be fantastic.
Uncle Drew's still got it, baby.
Okay, there we go. Let's toast those buns up. Our beef is almost ready. That way we can prepare our pickles and add our sliced cheddar cheese right onto the burgers while they're cooking.
Come on, Uncle Drew. One-handed, you could do this. Come on. Come on. There you go. All right, check out those nice pickles. Mayo. Our slider burgers right on top. Come on. Come on, one-handed. We got this.
Touchdown! Sliders recipe is a very easy recipe. There go our toasted buns right on top. We're going to finish everything up and take them back inside and get ready to enjoy game day with this great street food.
Those are going to be killer sliders right there. Super Bowl party, tailgate, street food. In from the cold. Let's give these a try. Sliders, street food, tailgate, Super Bowl, Uncle Drew's Kitchen. Ooh, check that slider out. That looks like great street food to me. Oh. Boom! Those are freaking delicious. You gotta make these. That is so good. Prepare for Super Bowl. Get your tailgate stuff ready now. Make these sliders. Check out all the other recipes for tailgate food and street food on my channel. You got a lot to choose from for Super Bowl. Get after it. Boom!